Hello, students. In the last class, we talked about sentences and its types. Sentences are of three types: simple, complex, and compound. Today, we will be talking about how to transform these sentences from one form to another. So, what exactly is transformation? When we change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning, it is called transformation. For example, if I change a sentence from simple to complex or complex to compound or compound to simple or vice versa, these are called transformations. Just to brush up on our concepts, as we discussed in the last class, sentences are of three types: simple sentences, complex sentences, and compound sentences. Hope you remember what all three of these are. Now it is the time we talk about interchanging simple sentences and the complex sentences. So, how exactly do we do that? While changing simple sentences into complex sentences, we need to change a word or a phrase of simple sentence into a clause by using a subordinate conjunction. For example, who, which, if, although, as, because, etc. So this is the rule to convert a simple sentence into complex sentence. Now, let us look at some examples to understand it better. For example, the first one. The simple form of the sentence is: She was pleased to know of your success. This is a simple sentence. Now, if we convert it into complex, we change the sentence as: She was pleased to know that you were successful. As mentioned in the above statement, we have changed a word of the simple statement, which was success, into successful. The meaning of the sentence, however, remains exactly the same. Obviously, one example is not enough. Let us look at some others. Number two example. The simple sentence is given to us as: Your parents expect you to grow into responsible adults. If we make the complex form, we can transform it to: Your parents expect that you should grow into responsible adults. Did you see how we changed the sentence? Let's look at another example. The simple form of the sentence is: It being sunny, we didn't go for shopping. The complex form of the sentence will be: We didn't go for shopping because it was sunny. We made a sentence from simple to complex without changing its meaning by simply changing a few words. In example number 4, the simple sentence is: A lost moment is lost forever. We can change a few words and make it into complex. A moment that is lost forever. We change the simple form of the sentence into complex. In the next example, in spite of not being fully qualified, he got the job. The complex form will be: Although he was not fully qualified, he got the job. So we change in spite into although, and the meaning remained the same. This was all about how to change simple sentences into complex. Now let us have a look how to change simple sentences into compound sentences. So the rule will be: while changing simple sentences into compound sentences, we need to change a word or a phrase of simple sentence into a clause of compound sentence and use a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, for, etc. These are the identity marks for compound sentences. Let us study these examples. Number 1. The simple form is: Turning on the lights, he started to study. But if we make the compound form of this sentence, it can be transformed as: He turned on the lights and started to study. So, here we made the compound sentence by changing the phrase turning on the lights into he turned on the lights, and we use the coordinating conjunction and. However, the meaning still remains the same. Now, definitely, one example is not enough. Let us look at the second one. The simple form is: In spite of working so hard, he failed his exam. Let's change it into compound. He worked very hard, but he failed his exam. So the conjunction here which we have used is but. Next example, simple form is it being foggy, the flight had to be cancelled. The compound form can be written as the flight had to be cancelled because it was foggy. So the conjunction that we use is because, and this is how we change our sentences. Let's look at example number 5 now. You can study the fourth on your own. The simple form of the sentence is she suffered losses on account of being dishonest. The compound form can be she suffered the losses for she was dishonest. So here the conjunction that we have used is for. This was all about transformation of sentences. I hope you all understood the concept and you can practice from the exercises given in your book. Thank you, children. Have a good day.